Hi guys, I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia. I know a lot of you would be struggling to get your required scores in writing. Writing has been the pain point for so many of you since some time now. There are multiple reasons for that, and today I'll tell you the best way how you can achieve 90 out of 90 in both listening and writing. First things first, summarize spoken text. Make sure that you pick up good keywords. By good keywords, I mean combinations of adjective plus nouns or verb plus noun combinations. For example, in the audio, if you're, let's say, smart students, pick up both the words together, that's a keyword. If you pick up just students, that is not a keyword. I mean, it's not a very good keyword, but smart students, it's better. Also, whenever the noun, if you hear it, if it's countable, make sure you make it plural. For example, student, add S on your own. You can't write smart student, you'll have to write a smart student. So better is to convert the noun into a plural noun on your own, like smart students. That way you can separate multiple keywords with a comma in your summarized spoken text answer. You can also insert phrases, but make sure your grammar is correct. You must know how to use the templates. Another important thing is about spelling. If you are not sure about the spelling of a word, best would be not to write that word. It's very risky and the score in writing can go down very quickly. Okay, keep these tips in mind for summarized spoken text. Watch the video till the end. I'll tell the most important strategy at the end. The second most important task is listening fill in the blanks. For those of you who are targeting 65 plus or 79 plus in listening and writing, listening fill in the blanks is really important. You can't afford to mess it up. So make sure you don't leave anything and make sure you attempt everything. And be very careful with words ending with es, ed. Listen carefully, apply your sense of grammar to the sentence construction, and then choose any one word. Don't write both. You can't write both, otherwise there will be a penalty. Now the third most important task is write from dictation. Guys, write from dictation, you will get at least 3 sentences. If you are lucky, you will get 4 or 5 sentences in the real exam. This is the last task in the exam and requires maximum concentration, right? Now in write from dictation, make sure that your answers are 100% accurate. Every day practice 40 to 50 sentences daily. Daily you have to practice before you sleep. Even in the exam, it is the last task. So make sure you practice it enough in the same way so that mentally you are ready at night when you'll be exhausted, and when you practice write from dictation, the same feeling you might have in the exam. So it's a very good simulation exercise to prepare you for the final test. There should be no additional words which you add in write from dictation. Make sure whatever you write is making grammatical sense, and in general it is making some sense. Okay, don't add extra words. That is my honest suggestion. Now a very important tip to improve the writing score. Recently a lot of our students have been getting a very high score in writing, 90 out of 90 also, a lot of them. Now my free tip is this: in write essay these days, original content is very important. Now in the test you might be under pressure how to think of ideas. I'll give you a superb idea. One of our students tried it. Now what you need to do is, in the task of summarize written text, that is the task before write essay, you will definitely have some good words in the passage, right? Some academic collocation, some good words, meaningful words. Write down those words